guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest. This is Remy. He is my Indian Ringneck. He's actually my mom's, but he's kind of the family bird. Sorry that he looks a little scraggly right now. He is, I think the term is called molting or molting. It's when he gets new feathers in, so the old ones kind of leave, and then he has new ones that come in, and so that's why he kind of looks a little ratchet right now. But yeah, this is him. Normally he talks your ear off. I tried to do a look that was inspired by the colors of his feathers. As you can see, he has some green, some black, some orange, and so I made sure to incorporate that into my eyeshadow. So if you would like to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Mwah! Gotta calm the star down. Guest host. Guest, is that the word? I'm gonna try to copy you, okay? Alright? Are you cool with that? This should be exciting. Okay, sit in your chair. Sit. Alright, he'll be back at a later time. Let's get into this. Alright, so I'm gonna be starting off with the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation by L'Oreal in the shade 435 Rose Vanilla. I'm going to pump this on straight onto my face because I don't like it in my brush. So, yeah. Alright. Stressing me out, Remy. Right. He's a little camera shy, so this is what we're working with right now. Alright, so then after that, I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade 340 Fawn. You want to help me? No, please don't fly away. So right there. Right. Now, after that, I'm going to take the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent and... Thank you. Then I'm just going to dip this in and apply it to my face. Alright, and then after that, I'm going to take the Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade by NYX. This is in shade Espresso. Take an angled brush and apply it. What do you think, Remy? Alright, now I'm going to take that concealer from before and take an angled brush. Are you going to help me? You going to do it for me? There. I'm just gonna put some on this brush and try to do it without him whacking me in the face with a makeup brush. A little hard to put on makeup when you have a bird that doesn't stay still. And I'm just going to blend it in with my finger. He didn't want to join us, so he'll come back at the later time. We'll just focus on the eye look now. So I'm going to be taking the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm going to try to match my colors close to him. I believe I want to use this green color, maybe a little bit of like this. I mean, he's kind of a little bit blue, so maybe this one, and then a pop of orange and a pop of like a red for his beak. Then I'm gonna smoke it out with the black color because he has a black ring around his neck. So I'm gonna start off by green color right on the lid. I'm kind of just playing with it. I don't really know how I exactly want to do it, but we're just gonna go with the flow. So alright, and then I'm gonna smoke out the green and just kind of blend it all over. Whoa, what color? What color, Remy? Should I do the blue? He's looking at all his options. Can't decide? Alright, well, I'm going to pick for you. We're going to do the blue. I'm going to take, let's see. I think I'm going to take this, like, trying to copy him. I think I might take this like blue, but then this is kind of pretty too, so I'm not sure. You're making it difficult, Rem. You're making it difficult. Right? And pat that onto the lid. Ooh, that's pretty actually. Wow, I'm liking that. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a soft blending brush and I'm going to take some of the black in the palette right here. And this will represent his ring around his neck because he's an Indian ringneck. Hold on, Remy. You like it? Does it look good? Alright, and then what I'm going to do after that, take another eyeshadow brush and then I'm going to dip into that same green. I'm going to drag it out down below on my waterline. I'm only going halfway, I'm not going all the way under because I want to add another color to it as well. He has a red beak as well, so then we're going to take this red right here and I'm going to apply this the rest of my waterline. And then going in with this kind of orangey color, and also this light bright orange, I'm going to apply this to my inner corner. I feel like I belong in the Cirque du Soleil shows. Then go back in that red and kind of connect them. I'm gonna go back in with that green to try to bring the green back because it kind of turned more blue color. And then I think I'm gonna add this bright blue, little sparkly shade onto the center of my lid. And actually, to make it more vibrant, I'm going to spray it with the Aqua Blast Hydrating Beauty Mist by Ulta Beauty, just to make the pigment show up better. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes. Alright, so the lashes are on, and now to blend them in with my natural lashes, I'm going to go in with the Wonder Wand mascara. Alright, and then I am going to add some eyeliner, and this is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. I'm going to apply this to my waterline. Then we're going to now take a fluffy powder brush and brush away the little bake that we did earlier. This pimple is so annoying. When I look down, I could even see it. Now we're just going to apply some contour. I am taking this really old palette from Shop Miss A. It's just called Contour and Glow. I'm going to contour my cheeks. Now I'm going to take a blush brush, and then I'm going to be using the Too Faced Baby Love blush and applying that to my cheeks to add some more color. Oh wow, his nails are so sharp, and that's the result from it. This look actually looks like it took like a couple hours, but it didn't. Alright, and then my best friend had taught me a little trick to applying blush to your nose and making you look a little more sun-kissed, as she calls it. And so that's what I like doing now. I think I'm going to use this highlighting brush, and I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter with the shades Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. And I'm just kind of mix both of them together and apply that to my cheekbones. To top off this look, I'm going to use more of a nude shade for the lips, because since the eyes are so dramatic, I don't want to add dark colored lipstick because I feel like it'd be too much. So I think this shade should work. It's kind of like a lip gloss. I don't really like wearing lipstick, so I think this would be perfect for it. This one is the Lucrative, I think that's how you say it, lip gloss in the shade Luxe. Looks like that. Right. Yes, perfect. So this is the finished product. Remy, what do you think? Do you like it? He likes to look at himself in the mirror, so. Does it look like him? Does it have his colors? I think it does. I think I did pretty well, actually. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please tune in to next week's video. I'm not sure when I'm doing it. It's going to be a little surprise. But yeah. Bye, guys. Oh. He likes the lip gloss. Peekaboo. Shake. Shake. Good birdie. Beep. Beep. Alright. Gotta look this way. Look. Wish your girlfriend was hot like me. Come here, Remy. Sit. Oh my gosh. I kind of need that. No. Stop it. Oh my god. I'm getting so irritated. I mean, you freaking cooperate. Oh my god! There you go. So, playing in my hair. And, alright. Oh. Thanks. You're being a pain. Huh? Yeah, you. Say thank you, Rem Rem. Oh my lord.